Afternoon, guys. So today finally I'm replacing my amplifier. I had this sent to a company in Romania which are very good. They give you 1 year warranty. So yeah, I didn't have time, so now is the time to test it and see if it works. If anyone is interested, I can leave the site address in the comment section. So that's the sticker from them. It's called electricmora.ro, and that's where it goes. Obviously I don't have to show you guys how to remove the trims. I had to use this to figure out which component take the most network down, so ended up being the amplifier. I think they changed the motherboard, it was toasted, so there's a lot of aftermarket suppliers that they do CPUs, motherboards for this type of amplifiers, and they upgraded as well. So I'll try to install this and I'll come back to you guys. So we're back again. Things working as they should is just temporary. So after that I'm gonna install it in the final position. I'll show you inside. So all the stations are working. Obviously I can't, because of YouTube rules, I can't give you the full sound, but you get it. Yeah, the stations are working. I'll try the CD changer as well. Yeah, and I'm happy with this, guys. We'll see how long it lasts. Once this is done, the next job is water pump. I have to change the water pump and the turbocharger intercooler pump, because I think it's the original pump. Now I have the Bosch with the 010 at the end, so I'm gonna have to take the crank pulley out. I have the tool as well. I'll show you guys the tools I have, just in case any of you want to do it. So yeah, that's about it with the amplifier. I had to drive with no music for like 4 or 5 months. Finally got the time, found the right company. In UK they will just rip you off, and I think there's only a few companies that do it properly. But yeah, that's about it, guys, for this. Thank you.